So Jennifer, what's your initial reaction?
I actually think the flats are...
What's up, guys? So today we're gonna be going to a grand opening. I wanted to do something a little bit different, yeah? Just take you to a grand house opening. I hope that's the word, yeah? That's the bus that you're going to go with. See you at that place. Yes, as you can see, so that's my sister, by the way, right there, feeling all good. Nice. So we left town at 9:30, but always as Kenyans, people have to be late. So we are supposed to leave by 9:30, but by 11, that's when you are actually getting out of town going to Westlands. Kenyans too, kawaida, people have to be late. Guys, come on, man. And then there was this gentleman, this older guy that gave all the ladies some flowers. That was funny. Nice. So we are in Kibichiku. That's the building that you're going to check it out. It's under construction, but of course they have their show houses ready. Imagine if these guys made us remove our shoes. Hi guys, from Almond. Mungu abariki tu. This was actually, I believe, the one bedroom. Really nice, really cozy. I liked it. Small, but not very small. Just enough. This is a 2-bedroom, by the way, guys. This is a 2-bedroom. The master bedroom is en suite. Resident cat. Hi, meow.
This is lovely. I think adequate space, not too small, not too big, just enough, I think, for a small family. I like the wardrobes. That seems to be enough space for a family of 3. So this is a master bedroom and suite. The bathroom and toilet. I love the furniture.
Okay, thank you so much for all of you. We want to welcome you to Almond Heights Phase 2, where we are doing 1 and 2 bedroom apartments in a place called Kibichiku. So Kibichiku, it's along New Kitisuru, heading to a place called Acre, where now, as you can see, this is our show house. For the 1 bedroom and 2 bedroom, are you looking for something that you want to invest in, probably for an Airbnb, for rental? This is a good investment for you to come and invest with us with a good rental. In terms of return on investment, this is the ideal apartment for you. For the 1 bedroom is going at 3.795 and a 2 bedroom at 5.6. We have several methods of payment. We have the installment. We also have the cash, and as you can see, we are almost done. So we are looking forward to host each and every one of you. And also, don't forgetting, we have an MOU with our bank whereby we still finance even the diaspora and the locals. Thank you.
So Jennifer, what's your initial reaction for the 1 bedroom and the 2 bedroom?
I actually think the flats are good value for money. The pricing, I think, is okay. But I've loved the scenery. The environment around is green and nice. It's beautiful.
The 2 bedroom. What do you think about the 2 bedroom?
The 2 bedroom is I love the finishing. I love the color. It's bright. It has a big utility room, and I love the French door that's opening to the outside view, so you can see the environment, the greenery outside.
Give me one of the things you think.
I think the bedroom is a little bit small. I wish the space was slightly bigger. I also wanted the bedroom to have a balcony so that in the morning you can
just take
breakfast or just enjoy the calming view.
You would rather buy it
would
for
consider
living
I
or for
would
rent?
consider buying the 2-bedroom one,
Yeah.
because I would consider it for rental purposes
Yeah.
or for an Airbnb setup.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah, because it's adequate for a small family or
Yeah.
even for one person
That's
that's
good.
visiting or just wants to stay for a few days. I think it's appropriate.
It's appropriate. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it would make sense that
That's
way.
how. Thank you guys. Check out details of the developers right below if you want to contact them. Bye.